Hi students, and welcome to the next module on storyboarding. As previously introduced in this series of lectures on storyboarding, storyboards were first developed and originated at Walt Disney Studios when they first produced their cartoon films, The Three Little Pigs. Since then, as technology has evolved, so have storyboards. Technology has paved the way for animatics and photomatics as forms of storyboards, which are very similar to the final technical product, but used as test beds rather than as the final output. In this module, we will take a look at pictures of storyboards and what they actually look like, so we can visualize better what Walt Disney and other producers used in the design of their educational media. Analysis questions. As you commence this module, I would like you to discuss in your tutorial groups and in WebKF the following two questions. 1. What are some classic examples of storyboard drawings that you have seen? And 2. What do these classic examples have in common? You might notice stark differences or a lot of similarities. Also notice as time progressed, how did the level of detail on the storyboard change? In these slides, this might not be that apparent. However, try to imagine and hypothesize in your tutorial groups how might a storyboard structure change as a result of increasingly sophisticated technology being used to create a storyboard. Disney storyboards. As you can see in this photo, as well as what we learned about in the previous module, it can be seen that here Walt Disney illustrating scenes of his film in little pieces of paper stuck to the wall in sequence of them appearing in the future film. Walt Disney is looking at the wall and explaining the sequence of the scenes for his film. Example 2 of Star Wars storyboard. I simply got this off the internet, and I'm sure if this storyboard is the original Star Wars storyboard, I doubt it. Nevertheless, it does show in closer look what Walt Disney had done in the previous slide, except this is more clearer and we can see the images change from one screenshot to another. The limitation to the storyboard is that the images jump from one screenshot to another and there is no smooth transition of images or image modifications in earlier storyboards. Let's see if this changes over time. Example 3 of My Little Mermaid storyboard. As we proceed to the next slide, we do not only see pencil sketches of drawings of different scenes depicted on each piece of paper, but we also see handwriting underneath the picture of what the main character is saying or could be saying. Thus, script writing has been embedded into this storyboard as there are simple phrases the characters are saying that are captioned here. Example 4 of Aladdin storyboard. In this storyboard, we will see the drawings much more clearly and similar to each other as a natural evolution of drawings. This is probably because technology and programs like Photoshop make the process of creating images fast and easy, where the developer only has to make slight modifications in the image to transition it from one image to the next. Thus, as we can see, technology is helping to make storyboard drawing come to life, where we can actually see the natural progression of the story through its related images. Synthesis questions. In bringing this module to a closure, I want you in your tutorial group and in WebKF to discuss the following questions. 1. What features do storyboards have? 2. What makes a storyboard effective or ineffective? 3. In creating multimedia storyboards, what factors need to be taken into consideration? And 4. Do you think storyboards of the computer age are better or worse than paper-based hand-sketched storyboards? Thank you and good luck.